What up, you guys? So, update, man. So we're at $1,000. We just gotta make 500 more, with the 25K account. We ended up the week having a total profit on the 300K account of $1,324. So we made about a profit of 1,200 with the 300K account, and I think somewhere around like 700 this week on the 25K account. Price moved beautifully this week, you guys. It was pretty much just up all week. You see, Friday, Thursday, Wednesday, Tuesday, Monday, just straight up, you guys. Super easy. Made a lot of buys. Also made some good sales, you guys. I just decided to just chill out, man. I've been making too many big trades, over leveraging, losing, blowing up the count, giving back all the profits to the market. And so I said, "F it, you guys. I'm just gonna take my time. I'm just gonna take my time." And so, it pays off to take your time with things. So, that's what we're gonna do. That's the plan for next week. We plan on running these highs sometime next week, you guys. So, what I would like to see ideally is, you see, we made another FVG here. Typically, what I really want to see is we just touch this and then just go up, which I think is more than likely going to happen. If we touch this down here, we still have an opportunity to go up here, but it has to be a strong rejection. It has to tap it and then a strong rejection, which is honestly kind of what I want to see, because if we tap into this, that means that we're definitely, absolutely, at some point going to come back all the way down here and run all this shit, you guys. So we do have some. If you take a look at the news that we got for next week, we got like 3 days. I saw Monday, Tuesday we got 7:30 news. You know, Wednesday FOMC, which is a pretty, and CPI for the British pound. Thursday, so Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and then nothing really on Friday, you guys. That's for the British pound. That's just for my own personal sake. So we're looking at Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday to have some fairly nice volatility. I love volatile days. It makes it for easy trading, and so we're looking really good, you guys. We're definitely gonna run these highs up here, and we're probably even gonna approach up here, you guys. So that's what I'm looking for. Also, Dow Jones, man, made some really good gains with Dow Jones. I really like US 30. I really am starting to really like US 30, you guys. So US 30, we had a little bit of up and down movement, just a little bit. One thing I love about the way that US 30 moves is that it definitely delivers on both sides, you guys. It delivers on both sides, which is something that's beautiful. You can definitely check out and see SMT divergence when you're looking at S&P and Dow together. Now, one thing about Dow Jones that is a little like, people love Nasdaq, man. People love Nasdaq, but me personally, you guys, I wanted to master it. I spent like 3 years trading fucking Nasdaq, you guys, like cumulatively. Not really, actually, but when I first started into trading, I wanted to get good at Nasdaq, and I just blew money, blue account, blue account, blue account, blue account, blue account, blue account after blowing account, you guys. And I just decided to say, fuck it. Nasdaq is just not for me. It's just not for me, you guys. Sometimes it wins, sometimes it doesn't, but it's just not for me. It's just not for me, so I'm just not gonna trade it. US 30 and S&P is my bread and butter. But US 30 is similar to the Nasdaq in terms of movement, but it moves a little bit better and follows ICT a lot better than Nasdaq does, in my personal opinion. Now, one thing that US 30 does do that S&P doesn't do is US 30 is more prone to run fair value gaps, like not respect the FEGs and like generate, you know, like look at this for instance, right? You got all this down movement, and in S&P traditional ICT is supposed to kind of hit some of these and reject off of it, but US 30, what it likes to do a lot is run FEGs. So me personally, I don't really trade off of the FEGs as much as I look for the equal highs and equal lows. you know, relatively equal highs and equal lows, because more than likely it's gonna get ran, especially if I got a bias for the week and for the month. It makes for some very nice gains, and so that kind of helped propel my account upwards, you guys. And so we ended the day off, you know, fairly light, and we ended up actually losing money on Friday. Started the morning off negative 118, lost $118, ended up making it back, and then ended up making a nice a little $35, you know. But that pushed me up to needing just shy of $500 to pass the account. I'm gonna make a separate video on this too, but Bitcoin, just like I was saying, you guys, blew up. It blew up. I bought it at around 55,000. I bought it at the 55,000 area, you guys, like right around down here, and it shot the fuck up, you guys. I made almost a 20% increase in my profit, you guys. And had I put if I put $100,000 into this account and bought Bitcoin, I would have just made $2,000 just like that, you guys. Just like that. I would have made just $2,000. I would have just withdrawn, you know, but instead I made about $2 because I put 10 in, you know what I'm saying? So I told y'all to just watch. And lo and behold, man, here it goes. I think that, you know, I didn't expect this. That's the reason why I bought those, because just in case it were to just blow up like it's doing right now, I didn't expect it to just blow up and reject off of this. I thought it was going to go further down and then make its run upwards. But what I think we might do is we might just tap this, run this, and maybe run back down again, you guys. We're definitely going down at some point. I just don't know when. But I did buy. Your boy made some profit, man. If I put $100,000 into Coinbase and bought $100,000 worth of Bitcoin, I would have made $20,000 just like that, you guys. $20,000 fucking dollars, just like that. If I would have put in 10,000, I would have made 2,000. If I put in 100, I would have made $20, but I put in 10, so I made $2. Yeah, you know what I'm saying? But hey, you know, I just be talking sometimes. I just be talking, apparently, you know. But it is what it is, you guys. Remember one thing: if it's not about the money that you have, it's about learning how to make money. My personal belief, and I've heard this from ICT, I've read this in books, you guys. It's about learning how to make the money. It's not necessarily about having the money. As long as you know what to do with money and know how to make money, you got the education, the money will come. It's just a matter of time, you guys. So that's where your boy is at right now, man. We took a tremendous amount of time to learn, to take our time to really cut my teeth against the fucking market. I got rubbed until there was nothing to rub. I've died many thousands of times in the market. It got reincarnated, and now finally I can say, you guys, all the hard work is not even that it's gonna pay off, because this is a journey. This is a journey, you guys. It's a marathon. You got to treat it like life, man. A lot of people want to just go in and sprint, live fast, die young type shit, you guys. That's cool and all here and there, but honestly, it's the marathon, man. It's the marathon that's really gonna, you know, get you. That marathon mindset is what's gonna get you in the right place. But anyways, man, it's your brother Trey. I'll see you guys in the next trading video. You know, hopefully we'll have some good news. Hopefully we pass the account by next week. You know, and then next weekend I'll be able to be like, yo, you guys passed the account. Now it's time to work on the payout. You know what I mean? So I told y'all I was gonna do this, and I'm gonna just keep updating y'all on everything, man. With that being said, man, God bless you. Good luck with everything that you got going on in your life, man. I know shit is hard out here, man. It's rough out here, man. And so, you know, if you've been watching me, God bless you, and I hope, and I'm putting into the air that great things are gonna happen to you. But it won't just fall in your lap. You got to put the work into it, you guys. Put the fucking work into it, man. You guys been following me, seeing me doing my thing forever, even when no one is watching. You got to do it. That's the mindset you got to have. That's the mindset you got to have, man. Nobody gives a fuck that your life sucks. But they always got something negative to say if you don't do what they want you to do. So guess what? Fuck it. The people ain't going to care about you anyway, so take the time to make yourself a better person. Don't be afraid to lose. You're already losing type shit. You know what I'm saying? So, you know, I'll see y'all next one, man.